You want this present?
What?
What do you say? You want to open your presents upstairs?
Yeah.
We're supposed to go over to Mom's. You want to open them over at Mom's?
What?
You want to open your presents over at Mom's?
No, over here. Please.
One, maybe.
What?
Go pick out one. And hurry back.
What?
Hurry back. Sit down and jump off of it. Careful. Leg. There you go. Later, dude. Look at me. I'm scared I'm gonna hit the ceiling. Hurry back! Go get one present! Which one? Come here. Alright, cool. Come on. Want to open it in here?
What?
Want to open it up in here?
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
What's he at that?
What is it?
Cars.
How many of them? Keep going. Just say a lot. Say a lot.
Yeah.
How many you got so far? Right, how many was that? Count them out loud.
Yes.
Whoa, dude. Let me see them. Those are some cool cars.
It has this shoe and it has red function.
You already have it?
Mm-mm.
You don't?
What? Open it though. What?
I don't know. Figure it out.
I'll open this thing.
Rip into it. Are you going to save the box forever?
What?
Are you going to save that box? No. So who cares if it gets ripped? Rip it. Oh, alright, here.